What's up, guys? I'm doing a video again because the last one I did was Black Ops, and I'm going to do what is it? Well, I mainly started this video because there's a guy named Roman Atwood. He's a really nice person. His vlogs are really cool, so you should go hit him up with some likes and subscribes. And also, basically, he's the only reason I actually got up and did this video. Like, I'm not feeling that well. I rather feel like just going and laying down and not doing anything all day. So yeah, just go hit him up with some subscribes. Tell him that I sent you. Yeah, he's a nice guy. So I'm gonna get this video up and going. So I was thinking about doing some Animal Jam. I'm also gonna do a live Animal Jam, and it's gonna be everybody that really watches my videos. So I only have 2 subscribers, so maybe not many people, but still come check me out. Will come check me out with stuff. We'll go run some dungeons, level up characters. Yeah, I'm also doing a live World of Warcraft, if anyone knows about that. I might do that today, tomorrow, because I still gotta edit this, post this. I gotta do a Fallout 3 video that I've been planning for a month now. And I'm gonna be going and getting dog meat, but right now, we're playing some Animal Jam. And some of my friends are gonna be. Oh my god. I did not know you could do that. I just clicked spacebar when I saw the dinosaur. And out of nowhere, it's a game. I did not know that. It's a beautiful morning. Connection. Mamma mia. So yeah, I just did that. I'm checking out this little mini game real quick. I just got like carried away. I'm just like, bruh. I'm on Animal Jam. Play now. Let's go play. But yeah, I have a wolf and a seal. And my gamer tag in the game is Haskell201. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the beach. I might still be playing after. So come check me out. I'm gonna be hanging out in Crystal Beach because I've been working on my plushie collection. I'm gonna go see if we can't get some plushies. Wow, there's 3 wolves in here. I'm a wolf. How ironic. There's a pig in here too. Hey, wolves eat pig. I'm gonna go eat that pig. Let's go for the strawberry for the milkshake, guys. At Crystal Beach, you can get the milkshakes, and it's so fun. I like doing it because then you get little bonuses from playing their games, and then it also stays with you, and you can drink it. Wait, no. Okay, there we go. Spend 5 gems to play. Sure. One was broke anyways. Screw this. Come on, get a crocodile plushie. You suck. Oh yeah, I found a hat, guys, to get good plushies. If you go and say no, and then go back and click, like if you say quit game, and then go back and keep playing, and then go back and play the game again, you have a high chance of getting something. Oh, nice. Gonna go no. Bam. Hacky hack. Gonna nudge. Bam. Oh, what did I get? Oh, snow leopard plushie. That's like one of the rarest. I guess I just might put that one up for training. Some elephant plushie. Let's go see if we do a little flip-de-doo-dah. Bam, bam. Oh my god, a rhino plushie. It's so cute. It's too cute to be true. Give me something good. Give me something real good. I need a wolf plushie since I'm a wolf. Nothing. Okay. You know if you get nothing in 2 times in a row to do the trick. Let me see if I can't get a wolf plushie. Ooh, what did I get? Seriously, the golden monkey plushie. Okay. Let's go you. Where is this person? You. But yeah, this guy, he's just friending me, so I'm telling him that I'm on YouTube. Yeah. So yeah, just feel free to like be friends with me, play with me. It's quite interesting when you play with me, because I just randomly do stuff. But I'm gonna go to my den. My den's pretty sweet. You guys should check it out. I have an arcade game, the Eagle one. I have 3 hamsters. I have a special little plushie room. I have my little room. I got my backyard. I got 2 couches. I got some really fancy stuff. I got some banners, torches. I think statues too. Let me see if I still have my bunny statue. I love that statue. Yep, still got it. So let's place those plushes. I have just a little koala one. I think I'm gonna put that koala up for trades. The lion plushie is mine. No one can take that one. Snow leopard will be in. Snow leopard will be by the front door. This. Yeah, so I'm just like decorating my house a bit. Got my big old elephant plushie. Got my elephant plushie there. Where'd that piece of furniture go that I just accidentally dropped? Yeah, I need that bookshelf back for my room. But yeah, I got 3 hamsters. I got a white one, which is the girl, a blue and black one, which is one of the brothers, and then my one that I like to show off, which is a black and red one. And I like him the most. Do I know why? No. Do I want to know why? Yes. I always do that. Come here, Mr. Rhino plushie. Give my Rhino plushie. My Rhino plushie. It's gonna be right here at the front door. Last but not least. No, let's. I think other people will like that guy. Okay. Done decorating the house. I got some stuff up for trades. Yeah, it's basically going good. I got some scrolls. My study. People that like to like my stuff, subscribe, they can all go to a party. So yeah, got that. Spiked hair I'm gonna put up for trades. No, let's get rid of the papyrus. Papyrus scrolls. I do believe I have some more monkeys. No, I cannot trade the benches. I have a lot of aquatic stuff. Because I also have my sea lion, who I love to death. But yeah. So basically I look like Lucario. But I might go back to my original color, which was red and black. And I got the Viking helmet. So yeah, let's go to a trading party. Parties, awesome celebration. Yeah. Awesome trading party. Let's go here. Oh, there's a good bit of people here. But yeah, guys, you guys ever come here or to trading parties? I'm usually there. There's no doubt about it. I'm there. Let's trade this guy. Let's try to trade him. Let's see if he'll take the spiked hair and go done. Ah, you suck. Can't trade right now. Let's see if the seal dude. Dragon mask. Ooh, I like this. Let's go that. Something that I'll trade. Maybe one of the plushies, Bunny, and let's see if he'll do it. Can't trade her, mother trucker. A new jammer who's a seal. Okay, let's see what he has. Ooh, Haskell Likey, Haskell 1, but I'm not going to take it from him since he's a beginner. What is this? Oh, I need that for my collection. I know he's on, so let's go. Let's go Bunny. Let's go Fizz Hair. And see if he'll trade us. Come on, come on, do it. I need that game. Just do it for the YouTuber. Do it for the YouTuber. This guy's thinking about it. He can't trade. You suck. What about you? What do you have to trade, Mr. Arctic Foxy? Nothing good. Okay. Let's leave. Well, who are you? It's like pure gold. Oh man. That's good. Oh man, armor. All armor. Let's try to get his water fountain. I like this. That in there, Fizz hair in there. Maybe even that plushie again. I'm trying to get rid of that bunny plushie. I don't like it. Come on, trade me. Trade me. Trade me, bro. Oh, has the clown trade. Okay. This penguin guy is like blowing me up with trade me, trade me. Oh, I sort of like what he's got here. Let's see if I'm interested in anything. I am interested. He's got the exact same thing that I wanted from that one guy. This one guy had a mirror water fountain, and I'm loving it. I'm just digging it. So I'm gonna see if I can't trade him for it. Maybe this guy's actually got some sense. I'm gonna... Wait, I gotta go here, and I gotta go here. Come on, trade me, bro. Trade me. What? What? He no longer has that item. Well, don't you suck. Koala. Miss Koala person. I want something. If you have something good. I have nothing good. So I'm going to ignore you, Mr. Foxy. No, not worth trading. Maybe. I guess maybe. Only if I could. Only if I could trade her that. Everybody's being butts. I'm gonna see if someone will challenge me. I always win at this. I'm yellow. Oh. Let's see who's who. Ah, so I'm yellow. I'm gonna hit this one right out the ballpark. Too easy, baby. Too easy. Money in the bag. Gave me a point. Gave me 2 points. And he got himself a 1. So I'm gonna see if I can score me another point. He's probably gonna go for that blue right there. It's his best shot at getting any points. Well played, buddy. Well played. But not well played enough. I got skill. I got skill, baby. He still needs 4 more points. I only need 2. But one single move could basically put everything on the ground. I have 4 of the 3. Let's see what I can do here. Okay, this is just too simple. Oh, 1 more point. Take your best shot, Leaping Brave. Crop. 1 point. And then he leaves the ball wide open for me. Okay. $6, baby. Oh! You have earned 20 gems. No. Turn off Xbox. Turn off. Everybody's just playing games. It's Mr. Oinks. Bow and arrows for this and this. Give me the bow and arrow. This guy's having second thoughts. And of course, he declines me. There's this guy that wants to trade a gumball machine. There's this new gamer, so I'm gonna give him a warm welcome. He's just got a bracelet. I'm gonna give him a warm welcome to this place. Oh my god. He declines a trade when I gave him like 5 things. Sassy Turtle 123. Say that again. Trade jewelry for jewelry. Let's see if he does it. She declined it even though it was the exact same thing. Well, what other parties do they have? This one's lame. Cool Animal Jam. Okay. Oh, this is boring. No, let's screw this party. There's nothing here. Awesome cake celebration. There's no one here. This is a dull party. The host isn't even here. Something in the news. Pigs are here. Yeah, no duh. I see pigs. I see Paris, I see France, I see people's underpants. So you guys know the Journey books? So far I've gotten a lot on Crystal. I've gotten 2 on Crystal Beach. I swear I got that one and that one. I got that one, that one, and that one. Got 3 for Lost Temple of Mizu. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 for Berry Bay. 3 for Crystal Reef. 1, 2, 3, 4 for Deep Blue. And 1, 2, 3, 4 for Candy Cove. So I've just been working on all that stuff because you can get, what is it? You can get a lot of stuff if you finish those. I got you. Yay, I got 1. There's 1, guys. I need that. So I need a little bird. Where am I gonna get a bird? I guess that bird's rare or something. But yeah, guys. Like, totally, I mainly just do this to pass time sometimes. But, yeah. I'm doing pretty good with this one. Almost done with it. I'm hoping to finish it pretty soon. Got this little dude. Did I get you? I got you. Good morning. What do we have here? The moray eel, a clam. Is this like a big clam? Ooh, there's a golden circle right here. I wonder what golden circles are for. Let's get up out of this place. But yeah, guys, I'm probably gonna get rid of this guy. Sorry about this, buddy. My seal, I gotta get rid of him. He's a level 3 though, so I'm a bit worried. Because it took me about an hour to do that. Oh yeah, I can't cycle items that I'm currently using. Here. Let's go here. Let's go to cycle. Recycle the seal. Ooh. I could get another wolf. Which I'm probably not gonna get. Ooh, panda. So yeah, I think I'm gonna restart. No, I'm gonna restart my wolf. Do I know why? No. So I'm gonna turn him into a penguin. But I don't have enough for a penguin. No. Let's go ahead and design this guy. Black. A pitch black panda. Wow. Design his pattern. I got the most scariest panda ever. It's epic. Just have those butterfly wings on the wall. Yeah, it should be maxed out, and we should do that. So let's go to the JMA Town Square. Next video I'm going to be playing with a friend. And that would be my friend that introduced me to this game. And we did make a wolves pack, but so like I'm not in the wolf pack anymore. Cause I decided to be a panda. Ooh, yeah, I'll do that. I'll do that, baby. Yeah, baby. Screw the necklace. I don't really like my necklace. Guys, I do not know where to get rid of plushies. I need money. Is this like a furniture place? This is the furniture place. Do they have a place where I can recycle plushies? Yes, they do. Recycle you. Yes. Recycle you. Oh, yes. So, yeah. I recycled some giant. So, yeah. I'm gonna make the penguin now. I'm gonna end this video because I do believe it's probably gone on for almost half an hour. So I'm gonna end this, do the rest, and next time I make a video, it's gonna be Fallout and then a live Animal Jam. So, peace.